Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to control your Telegram auto download feature to save storage? Let's turn it off on your iPhone. First, open your Telegram and go to Setting in the bottom right corner. Next, you tap on Data and Storage. You find the auto download media section. You click on Using Cellular to adjust its auto download media option. You can turn on or turn off for different type of media. You can use auto download for photos but turn it off for stories. You can head over to the Using Wi-Fi to adjust its own auto download media option. Tap on each option to choose specific setting or turn off auto download entirely by juggling the option off. And there you have it, guys. Now Telegram will only download media when you choose. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.